What if happiness only needed a coconut tree and your family? Hi, I'm Joey Alonso, and today I'll take you inside the peaceful village life here in Sierra Nevada, Tinambac, where work is simple but life feels complete. Morning begin with these views: the mountain, the fields, and the quiet of nature. The garden gives us food and color every day. Fruits, vegetables, and flowers, all in one place. Simple, but it makes life here rich. My father-in-law prepares dishes passed down through generations, spicy, hearty, and always meant for sharing. The best part is always this: eating together, storytelling, and capturing the moment. It's simple joy.
Sige, start na.
Start! Modern.
Start na.
Nag-video na si Ka-Food Trip.
Nag-video na si Ito.
Ayan, yung number 1 na kumakain.
Yan.
Walang customer. Loyal customer yan eh.
Ito. Sisig po. Ay. Nagkalap pa.
Dalawang pa rin. Sis ka ba? Ako yung nauli ko.
Papa na doon.
Ayan yun.
Dalawang bodega yan.
Anong ginagawa dito?
Delivery sa Lucina.
Pero ano rin to, in-order nyo rin.
Dinadala lang dito, mga customer.
Anong ginagawa dyan? Ito mga ganito. Gagawing oil, ganon.
Uwel, patapos yung pinag-isapal dyan, gagawin ng page.
Copra trading is the livelihood here in Sierra Nevada. By buying and selling dried coconut meat, families earn enough to live simply and peacefully. The buyers process it into coconut oil, one of the Philippines' biggest products. When we want a little treat, we head to Tinambac Town for halo-halo at kamen jam, a local favorite.
Ikaw.
Nagiging
Kailangan maganda yung reaction mo, ha?
Dahil lang siya. Tapos may sa camera.
Good. So, anong masasabi mo sa lasa?
Lami kayo! Sarap!
And if you need more, just a short trip away, Naga City has malls, churches, and city life. The only challenge here is transport. Vehicles are often insufficient for the number of passengers, so they fill up quickly. You don't need a big city to have a full life. With land, work, and family, joy is simple. Here in Sierra Nevada, happiness grows from the little things.